Mabuhay, this is Alexi Fernandez from Davao City. Maayong hapon sa tanan. Please be informed to all merchandisers or the people of UCI, BT Consumer, NBS, Apollo Technology, Davao Amigo, Astra Group, Sanitic, and Giron Distribution. Please submit your number of days on tomorrow in the early morning or maybe tonight. Please send that or ipadala sa ako ang messenger for the period January 16 to 31. And please submit your DTR on January 31 sa gabi or first day sa February. February 1st day in the morning. Daghang salamat. Please always be guided accordingly. God bless everyone.